You walk up to your car and spot a strange coin jammed into the door handle. Seems like a prank, right? Wrong. That coin could be a major red flag. Car thieves have evolved. They're no longer just smashing windows in the middle of the night. They now use silent, sneaky tactics that most drivers never notice until it's too late. In this video, we're diving deep into 13 shocking car theft tricks that criminals use every day. And yes, the coin in door handle trick is just the beginning. If you own a car, you need to see this, because these tricks don't just steal your vehicle, they can put you and your family in serious danger. Stay with me. Number 1. The coin in the door handle trick. Thieves place a coin or small object, like plastic or wood, into the passenger side door handle. Most modern central locking systems won't engage properly if any one door is jammed. So when you use your key fob to lock the car, the system thinks all doors are locked, but the jammed door remains open. You walk away thinking your vehicle is secure, but it's not. The thief comes back, opens the door, and now has full access without even breaking a window. Always check all your doors physically before walking away, especially if you park in public areas. Next up is a trick that makes your own key fob betray you. Number 2. Key Fob Signal Amplifier Relay Attack. Thieves use a two-person method. One stands near your front door with a signal booster, the other stands near your car with a relay receiver. These devices steal the signal from your fob inside your house and unlock your car, making it think the real key is present. Your car starts and drives off, all within seconds. To prevent this, store your keys in a Faraday pouch or wrap them in aluminum foil at night to block the signal. Never keep your keys near entry points like doors or windows. But did you know thieves can now copy your car's VIN to get a duplicate key? Let me explain. Number 3. VIN Cloning to get replacement keys. Your VIN, vehicle identification number, is usually visible on your dashboard through the windshield. Thieves use this number to order fake replacement keys from shady locksmiths or dealers. Once they have the key, they can simply walk up and drive off with your car. Cover your VIN plate with a dark sunshade or a simple card when parked in public, especially long-term. And if you think that hidden spare key trick is clever, you'll want to hear this next one. Number 4. Locating your hidden spare key. Many drivers hide spare keys in predictable spots, inside bumpers, behind license plates, or in magnetic boxes under the chassis. Thieves know all these tricks. They will tap and sweep under your car until they find it. Solution? Never hide a spare key on or near the car. Instead, keep it with a trusted friend or in a secure coded lockbox at home. Now let's talk about a scam you've probably seen on social media, but it's actually a setup. Number 5. Something on your windshield distraction. Trick thieves place flyers, plastic bags, or even cash under your windshield wiper. When you start your car and see it, you step out to remove the object, often leaving the engine running or the door open. That's all they need. One jumps in and drives off. Always lock your doors and turn off the ignition before checking anything outside your car. Next, a trick that involves your very own OBD port. Number 6. OBD Port Hacking. The onboard diagnostics port, OBD2, inside your car gives access to crucial programming. Thieves use specialized OBD devices to plug into this port, copy your car's settings, and program a new key fob on the spot. This can take just minutes. Prevent this by installing an OBD port lock or a hidden kill switch to block access. And this next method, it involves your own kindness being used against you. Number 7. Fake emergency or help request. A person may approach you in a parking lot asking for help, maybe directions, a jump start, or claiming their car broke down. While you're distracted, an accomplice sneaks into your car, snatches valuables, or even drives it away. Stay alert and keep your car locked, even when talking to strangers in public spaces. Think your steering wheel lock keeps you safe? Here's a reality check. Number 8. Bypassing steering wheel locks. While steering wheel locks are visual deterrents, some experienced thieves can cut through steering wheels or break locks with freeze sprays and tools. A better approach is combining multiple deterrents: steering lock, kill switch, and GPS tracker for recovery. Now let's expose a tech trick thieves love using at gas stations. Number 9. gas station key swap. While you're distracted filling up, thieves observe your actions. If you leave your door open or keys inside, they perform a quick swap, leaving behind a similar-looking fake key or nothing at all. By the time you realize it, your car is gone. Always keep your keys in hand and lock your car during every stop, no matter how short. And the next trick involves a little-known app vulnerability. Number 10. Hacking through car apps. Many modern vehicles are connected to apps for unlocking doors, remote start, or GPS. But if your app isn't secured with two-factor authentication, or if you're using weak passwords, hackers can gain control of your vehicle remotely. Use strong, unique passwords and update your app and car's software regularly. Ready for a shocking tactic involving your car's tow point? Number 11. Unauthorized towing. Thieves use tow trucks to legally steal cars, especially in busy areas or apartment complexes. They hook your car and drive off, often before anyone notices. Install a wheel lock or a hidden GPS tracker, and always park with wheels turned toward the curb to make towing harder. The next one might be sitting in your glove box right now. Number 12. Glove box registration theft. If your car is stolen and your registration or insurance papers are inside, the thief now knows your name and home address. That puts your home at risk too. Always keep sensitive documents in your wallet or at home, never in the glove box. Finally, the boldest trick of them all. Number 13. Impersonating a mechanic or tow truck driver. Some thieves dress as mechanics or tow truck operators and approach your parked car, claiming it's being repossessed or needs to be moved. If you're not alert, they might even tow it away in front of you. Always verify credentials, especially if you're not expecting service. Call your insurance or roadside service directly before handing over your keys. That coin in your car door handle? It's not random, and it's definitely not harmless. It's one of 13 car theft tricks used by modern-day criminals who are smarter, faster, and more coordinated than ever. And if you're not paying attention, your car, your data, even your life could be at risk. Share this video with friends and family, especially new drivers, parents, and women who often drive alone. Drop a comment if you've seen any of these tricks, or if something weird has ever happened to your car. Let's raise awareness together. Subscribe to Car Care Expert for more life-saving tips, car safety hacks, and the truth that mechanics and criminals hope you never learn. Stay safe out there.